Hi friends, in today's video we will learn about very attractive houseplant, the arrowhead plant. Its scientific name is Syngonium Podophyllum. It's available in range of colors and the attractive foliage changes in shape as the leaves turn mature. Leaves appear in attractive shades of green, white, pink, silver, cream and even purple. It's perfect for beginners or black-thumb gardener who desires indoor greenery without any fuss over its care. Let's begin with some important care tips for arrowhead plant. As far as lighting goes on, they prefer bright light but not direct sun, as direct sun can burn its leaves. Set back a few feet from window that receives sun. If you notice more growth on one side, then rotate the pot, cause that side is likely to be receiving more light. Watering is another important aspect. They prefer soil to be kept lightly moist during summer and spring and drier during fall and winter months. Just insert your finger and try to pull out some soil. If soil do not sticks to your finger, then it needs water. They also love bottom watering. Let's talk about soil to be used for arrowhead plants. Use a rich potting mix that offers superior draining and aerating capabilities. So, the ideal potting mix is 40% sand, 30% compost, 30% coco peat or soil. As far as its fertilization is concerned, use a balanced liquid fertilizer on regular basis during spring and summer. They grow incredibly fast and well. After summer, stop feeding because the plant will no longer produce new growth to nourish. Let's talk about temperature. They do prefer warm, humid environment. In summer, temperature should not exceed 24 degrees Celsius, and in winter, it should not be lower than 15 degrees Celsius. Arrowhead plant loves humidity. Mist your plant occasionally with a spray bottle filled with distilled water or rain water. Don't place it in an indoor location where air is especially dry, such as near heating system. Arrowhead plant can be propagated in spring and summer. Just cut below the aerial root along the stem and propagate cuttings in water or straight into the potting mix. Water propagation is super easy method. I have propagated this one in water. Just you have to take a cutting below the node and place it in room temperature water. Well, this one doesn't have any roots yet. You have to make sure to change the water every few weeks. A lot of patience is required in water propagation method. It's perfect for beginners or black-thumb gardener who desires indoor greenery without any fuss over its care. Now let's discuss some common problems. Number 1. Yellowing of leaves. This may be due to over or underwatering. Just take a look how water has been provided and if the soil is too dry or wet. Number 2. Dry brown leaf tips. This is when the air around the plant is too dry. So mist the leaves daily until they look better. Then mist every couple of days or so. Number 3. Lack of growth. This may be due to nutrients deficiency in soil, Plant getting not enough light or overwatering. Number 4. Poisonous to pets. Keep your arrowhead plant away from cats and dogs. These plants are mentioned to be mild to moderate in toxicity. They will cause your pets to become unwell if ingested. Arrowhead plants are super easy to care for, but as a creeper, it needs some support. It can also be grown as a cover plant. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions related to arrowhead plant. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.